Put salt in Pepsi, and you'll never see soda the same way again. Sounds crazy, right? But the moment you try this, you'll understand why I haven't stopped doing it since the first time. This isn't some internet myth. It's a clever little secret that actually works. Let's begin. Grab a large bowl and open a bottle of Pepsi. Carefully pour out about 200 milliliters into the bowl, but don't throw away the bottle. We're going to need it later. Now, bring in the next ingredient. 1 full tablespoon of salt. Sprinkle it directly into the Pepsi. Stir slowly until most of the salt dissolves. What you're seeing isn't just random. It's the exact reaction that makes this method so effective. Next, we'll add dish detergent. Take the empty Pepsi bottle and fill about half of it with dish soap. Once you've got that, pour it all into the bowl with the Pepsi and salt. Comment below with your city. Let's see where everyone's watching from. But we're not done yet. Now grab the Pepsi bottle again and fill it halfway with clean tap water. Pour that straight into your bowl and mix thoroughly. Keep stirring until everything blends into a consistent, foamy solution. You're probably already starting to notice how different it looks compared to when we started. Here's the final prep step. Grab a clean plastic bottle. This can be an old detergent bottle, a spray bottle, or even the same soda bottle you just emptied. Place a funnel on top and carefully transfer the entire mixture inside. Seal it up tight, give it a good shake, and now you're ready. Comment yes if you're going to try this at home. But ready for what? Let me show you. Take a greasy, stained aluminum pan, one of those you've probably considered tossing out. Pour a small amount of the mixture onto a sponge and start scrubbing. You don't need to use a lot of force. Within seconds, the grime begins to lift, the stains fade, and the surface underneath starts to shine again. The difference is unbelievable. And here's the reveal. What we just made is a homemade aluminum cleaner. But not just any cleaner. This one is unique. Pepsi naturally contains phosphoric acid, which reacts with salt and dish soap to break down grease, lift stains, and restore shine. Combined with water, it becomes strong enough to tackle dirt, yet gentle enough not to damage the metal. The best part? It's safe, cheap, and incredibly effective. You can use it on pots, pans, baking trays, or even lids. Stubborn burnt food marks? Gone. Greasy stains that usually take hours to scrub? Wiped away in minutes? Rate this tip from 0 to 10. I'd love to know what you think. Look closely at the before and after. It's like night and day. No more wasting money on harsh cleaners. No more soaking overnight. Just a quick, simple mix that delivers professional-level results every single time. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Until then, and keep your kitchen shining bright.